Alright, so we're done here. We're gonna go explore the next one, which is gonna be down the road somewhere. About 10 minutes actually is the next beach. So we're gonna go there and frolic in the ocean. So this one is done. We spent about what, 2 hours here? Something like that.
Yeah, a couple hours. We came back, checked out the turtles. The fisherman guy who feeds them was there. We saw the turtles being fed. It was really awesome. We saw some different turtles than the other day because I recognized their shape being different. And it was still amazing. It was still magical to be able to be so close to turtles. They swim right up to you. They're not afraid. It's lovely, very special. This is very special.
And I think Emerson saw a moray, like an albino moray eel.
Yeah. It looked like a moray eel, but it was like white, like all the way white, no coloring, nothing. Like it had the pattern, but it was all white. And it was weird. I've never seen an eel like that before. It was really cool.
Yeah.
Clearly one of my relatives.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna comment on that one. I'm gonna leave it alone. As we wrap up our visit to Playa Pescado, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, access to the beach is free, which is always a plus. However, if you're looking to stay comfortable, you'll need to rent a beach umbrella and 2 chairs for $12. And note that using the toilets will cost you $2 per visit. The real highlight here is the chance to see sea turtles up close, which makes this beach truly special. While there is some sand, much of the beach is made up of coral deposits, which can be hard on your feet. So be sure to bring water shoes to make the most of your time here, just as with many of the beaches in Curacao. It's been a memorable experience, and we hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Before I go offline, I'll just show you where.
So this is Playa Laguna, not to be confused with Laguna Seca. This is Playa Laguna. We're here to check it out because we haven't been here yet. It looks very familiar though. All these beaches are starting to look familiar, one next to the other. How much are the umbrellas here? Let's see. The other ones were $12.
If we're gonna take chairs.
They are $5 here. $5 for the chair.
No, the bed is $5. The chair is. Oh, I see the difference.
Yeah.
I see.
The chair is $2.
I see.
Ooh. These dropping rocks from the sky.
Oh, did a nut fall?
Watch out, Emerson.
Be careful behind you.
You just gotta mind the nuts that are falling from the tree.
Oh.
Like now. They keep bouncing off my head. One thing to note, it is not a good idea to sit under the manchineel tree, often referred to as the beach apple, or manzanilla de la muerte, little apple of death. This seemingly innocent tree is one of the most dangerous in the world. Native to the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, Florida, and parts of Central and South America, every part of the tree is toxic and can cause severe harm. Despite its appealing appearance, the fruit, sap, and even the rainwater dripping from its leaves can lead to severe skin irritation, blindness, or worse. Stay safe. Steer clear of this tree. So this is Laguna Beach. Very quiet. It was busier earlier, but now I think most people have left and gone home. So it's quiet. It's a very small beach, not very open. It's flanked by these 2 rocks here. There's the opening there. But it gets deeper as you go further out, like 50 feet, maybe 30 feet ahead, then it just drops. Probably like below 12, 15 feet. Not too bad. Boat in the middle there. I see some jet skiers out there in the distance, but it's not bad. Compared to the one we just left, Pescado, I think Pescado is much more wide open. I prefer that one because there's so much more activities you can do. You can see turtles on one side and just enjoy the view on the other. This is not bad. Not one of the best, but it's good. So, but we're gonna go have some lunch. There's a restaurant up there. So as soon as the guys come out of the water, then we'll go grab some lunch, and I'm gonna fly the drones to get some of the picturesque views so we can show you what this beach looks like. Grab something to eat from this restaurant up here, top of the stairs, top of the world restaurant. Here you go, Emerson. These thorny bushes are everywhere. I think I'll have like just a plain fruit punch, no alcohol, to rejuvenate myself.
The sun has not been kind to my tattoo. You see that?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like a blowout when it heals.
Is that like fading?
No, it's just causing a blowout in some of the detail work. The ink doesn't stay in the skin that it was put in, and it just bleeds around. But I'm going back to Zip so he can fix it. Because Zip told me, the guy who did this tattoo, he said he loved this tattoo so much when he did it. This was like his baby. So he said, dude, no matter what, just come in. I'll do free corrections, free anything. Like if anything happens to the tattoo, I'll fix it for free. So.
There's an iguana just chilling in a tree or bushes. They're just relaxing with no care in the world.
So their tails grow back. That'll be fun.
An iguana torture, but it was accidental.
All you did was scare it, dog.
What happened?
I stepped on the tail of the iguana. I didn't see it. It was right here, and the whole lizard just shook. And then I jumped off the tail and it ran.
It's chilling now. There's no way you're gonna be sitting in your seat. It's like resting on its belly. I was like, this is my spot. Go find your own spot.
It's cool again.